My name is Todd Lowary. I'm a professor of chemistry at the University of Alberta. Currently I hold the R. U. Lemieux Professorship in Carbohydrate Chemistry. I'm an organic chemist by training, and we have a particular interest in carbohydrates. Our particular area of interest is the carbohydrates that are found in microbial cells, bacteria, parasites, fungi. We then use them in investigations to try to understand, can we inhibit the production of these carbohydrates, and if so, can those molecules be used as drugs? Or can we understand how these carbohydrates then interact with the host immune system, and can we then harness that knowledge to try to develop better diagnostics and vaccines? I think it's an exciting time. The field of glycoscience, which is kind of broadly speaking the field of the science of carbohydrates, is poised to move in a fast forward direction towards a better understanding of these systems. I always say that our field was about 30 years behind proteomics, and so I think the future is very promising. And while I wouldn't want to be an assistant professor again, I do sort of sometimes look at my junior colleagues with a bit of envy now that I'm approaching the end of my career.